Hello, this is Mr. Shan. In this video, I'm going to focus on how you can pull your Google Slides into Cami so that you can leave voice comments. So you are going to first go to camiapp.com, just like I'm at, and then sign in. At this point, it might ask you to log in with your Google account, so you might need to choose that. At this point, you're going to press the Open from Google Drive. So now, if you're working in partners, if you're working in pairs, then only one person needs to do this step that I'm showing, pulling it into Cami, okay? So one person in the group would go to Cami, and then again, I chose the very first option, Open from Google Drive. And at this point, you're going to select your slides. And it should be one of the first things that pops up since you just worked on it. If you don't see it right at the top, one little tip is that you might go to these sort options and make sure that last modified is the one that is selected, because then the last thing you worked on will pop up more recently instead of being in like alphabetical order or something. So then you can go ahead and click on the slides and press select, and that's going to pull it into Cami. Again, you just need to do this for one person in the group. Then, if you are working in a group and you need to share this because multiple people need to add their voice comments, what you can do is, first of all, just press the save button, make sure that it is saved, and then you can press this share document button and make sure editor is chosen, and then copy this URL. Copy this and send it to all of your group members. You can send it through an email, or if you're in a Google Meet, you can send it through the chat. All right, so when we get everybody, all of our partners, this Cami link, then everybody's going to have collaborative abilities to this one Cami. Now, the next step will be to add the audio comments. So they are comments, so you're gonna click on the comment button right here, and then you're gonna choose voice comment. So once you choose voice comment, you click anywhere on the slide, and as soon as you click on the slide, it's going to start recording your voice, okay? So as soon as I click, it starts recording my voice, and anything that I say, it is picking up. And then when I'm done, I press the stop button. So that's it. It recorded all of that. If I need to move that around, you just move this dot. That's all it is. It's a dot. You can change the color of the dot if you so please, okay? And if you have multiple people in the group, then multiple people can put a voice comment on the same slide. No problem at all. And then if you need to put another comment on this slide over here, again, just make sure that your comments and then voice comment is chosen, and then you click on the slide. And as soon as you click and start talking, it records everything that you're saying. And that will be it. You can press the stop button when you're done. You can press play to review and make sure that it sounds good. If you messed up and you need to start over, all you do is press the X mark to get rid of it, and then you could press to record again. Then when you are all done with absolutely everything and you're ready to turn it in, just make sure again that you press the save button, make sure that everything is saved, and then you'll do the same thing, share document, and then you will copy this Cami link just like you did to get your partners on, and you can share that with your teacher. All right, that's going to be it. Hopefully this was easy to follow and your project will go well. Bye.